Hello, planner friends. I know it has been quite a while since I have filmed a video. So honestly, I have just gotten kind of out of the whole planning thing. The last video that I posted, it was actually a September video that I actually did way before September. But the last actual spread that I posted was the last week of August, and now we are in the first week of December. So I did some September spreads. I filmed them and I never posted them. This one actually was really cute. I really like it. I hope my camera is not too dark. Let me try and adjust the lighting here a little bit. So I did some of the spreads. This is the one that I had posted, but I did it before. So I truly stopped doing any of my actual planning in mid-September. So like the second, third week of September, I just kind of, I don't know what happened. I got busy. I know I worked during this week and I had a lot of stuff going on. And I had a lot of things that I had planned, and for some reason it didn't happen for me. And then October was a really busy month for me too. I don't know where the heck October went. I went to go see my friend in West Virginia during the first week sometime. Honestly, I can't even tell you when. I'm actually going to go back and fill in some of these pages. Because there's some important things that happened, but I didn't get a chance to write a whole lot of them. And then most of November, from like Thursday the 12th up until like Monday the 22nd, I was just completely sick and not up to doing anything, even though I did teach 4 of those days that I was sick. And oh my gosh, I was absolutely miserable. But I didn't film any of this. I just kind of wanted to do my own thing, not be on a camera, not be, you know, kind of stressed about what I'm doing. I just kind of wanted to have fun. So now I am going to get back into it. It is December. Well, not yet. I'm actually filming this on Tuesday, the 30th. But December is coming up quick, and I'm probably not going to post this until the 1st anyways, so it's perfect. So I'm going to do the monthly for December. I'm also probably going to do the half week, but not in the same video, so don't worry. So I'm going to pull these pages out, and we're going to look through some of these stickers that I have, and I am super excited because I have a lot of stickers. After Christmas last year, that's when I was really getting into the whole happy planning thing, and my calendar, or my entire happy planner or happy planner lookalike was almost done. And after Christmas, they were having all of these awesome sales on all of these stickers. So of course, as you can tell, I couldn't pass them up. So I have a ton, and I really want to choose some really pretty ones. So one of the books that I got was this one, and it's a pastel Christmas, and I really, really like it. It's got some really pretty pastel colors, and I really like the blues and the pinks, and look at how pretty that is. Winter Wishes, though, I think that might be good for January, so I might have to save that. But there is just so many pretty things, and I love quotes in my planners. I know I don't really use them a whole lot, but I think I'm going to for, well, as much as I can. I love all of these pastel colors. Look at how pretty they are. And this is just absolutely gorgeous. They are poinsettias. How do you say those? English is not my first language, so please forgive me. I think I'm going to use this in my week or in my monthly spread, and also maybe combine it with these stickers and have like gold stars and white stars. These do have glitter on them, so I'm slightly worried, but we'll see. And then there's some of these that I can pull in there. Yep, I think this is what I'm gonna go with. Just because there are so many options. Okay, I do want to flip through some of the other things that I got. These are sticker books from Hobby Lobby that of course I got on clearance. And they've got a whole bunch of fun stickers that I haven't had a chance to use yet. Although there is one missing, so I think I did stick it in a last year's planner after Christmas. So just a quick flip through their, what is that word? Holographic, I guess. So some of these are kind of cool. And then this is another sticker book, and I did pull a few of these stickers into a test planner that I was doing last year. I'll pull another one from there. Okay, so these are kind of fun too. I am definitely going to be using this in January. I'm saving that one for sure for January. So yeah, plenty of options there, and then plenty of just regular little tiny stickers. So I'll go with the big ones first. There's a whole bunch of little deer. Oh, you know what? Maybe I'll do that one for the monthly too. Oh, is that a hair? No, it's not. Okay, so then there's these ones, these little ones. This is definitely a Christmas week kind of sticker. Plenty of little ornaments. Mistletoe, you can put that pretty much anywhere. Look at how cute these guys are. I am so excited about these, but they are poofy stickers, so I don't know how I feel about having those inside of the planner. There's also these unicorns, which I might have to save for my niece because she loves unicorns. And I'm not sure if I can do a unicorn spread. I mean, I can try, right? These ones I really like. I'm going to do a whole week with just these guys. And then there's some big stickers. Some big quotes there. And then some of the big flowers. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So here is my month. And these are the stickers that I will be using. Let's get started.